What's good, guys? I'm actually gonna be doing a recap of today and yesterday. I completely missed yesterday, but I ended up taking a short yesterday. Let's just go through it. Wednesday, going into market open, what do I see on the higher time frame? This 4 hour gap, and honestly, my thought process was once we tap this 4 hour gap, I want some LR leading down, and I just want to take a short because we are in a bearish trend. On the 1 hour, we were trading inside this gap, but yeah, just faded that honestly. And then going into market open, oh, I remember this day. It was yesterday. I'm tripping. I honestly thought I wasn't getting a trade because of how late it was into session. I remember I take this at like 7:40. Yeah, I end up taking this right here. Cool. This is a trade I end up taking. This is absolute A plus. Absolute A plus. We tap into a high time frame PDRA. We have so much LR, low resistance and high resistance. I'm sorry. We have a bunch of low resistance liquidity uh, leading up to the trade, and on the lower time frame as well as the higher time frame, we just have a bunch of LR leading down. Just wanted my piece of the pie. Anyways, we have a tap, initial tap, right? This is what I talk about. This is what I preach. Initial tap of the high time frame. We tap into this 4 hour, and then we have a stop hunt, right? What is a stop hunt? It just sweeps. It literally just sweeps the inversion because the initial inversion is right here, right? And what happens? You get absolutely stop rated. That's why you wait for a stop hunt. I always wait for a stop hunt. And then what ends up playing out? Beautiful. And yesterday I made 5K with this trade. This is absolute textbook. Continuing on to today. Um, there's got to be a faster way to do this. Hmm, maybe not. Anyways, continuing into today. What time did I take my trade today? Let's just go to market open. This is far from market open. Oh, I actually faded a setup that a lot of people took, and I'll kind of explain why. All right, cool. Coming into market open today, I honestly opened up the charts on my phone and it was looking kind of rough. So I thought it was gonna be a no trade day. Luckily, we did get one. This 30-minute was my initial condition to go higher or lower. I think we had unmitigated gap above. No, we had no unmitigated gaps. Okay, cool. I was gonna play off this 30-minute. Let's just go right into market open and see what happens. Bang. That's like the setup a lot of people took right here. This 1 minute inversion. The reason why I didn't take it out, I have this marked out. We had this sell side below, and I know we had SMT with ES, but I just wasn't convicted because we were literally what 14 points away from taking this side. I wanted to see if I were to take this long, like kind of like a stop hunt into this, and then targeting that 30-minute would have been beautiful. Unfortunately, that doesn't end up playing out. It just runs right into that 30-minute, and I end up taking another short today. It was actually right after 10. Yeah, right here. And the reason why I end up taking this short and why I was so convicted, so it was right here. Sorry. I actually entered on this candle. Why I was so convicted on this short is I'll show you ES in a second, right? What this is a time where I take this, right? ES is completely respecting these 30 minutes, this 30-minute gap. I expect us to go lower. My bias is already bearish on the day. So I want us to go lower, and we have a bunch of LR. We've generated a bunch of LR. We have this 5 minutes target, which I'm pretty sure I targeted. Yep. I don't think I held all the way down to this 5 minute. I think I just got my piece of the pie. I think I did a 1-to-1. Yeah. But yeah, super textbook day again. I know NQ did end up invalidating this 30-minute, but again, it was just a really conviction play. I didn't think we were going to higher at this point, right? We now have swept all London highs. It was a bunch of stacked highs. We had reason to distribute. ES was currently just respecting 30 minutes. And yeah, that's why I took it off. I had like a lower size day today. Um, Up 4 grand on the week though, so pretty green week. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, go to my Instagram. Free Discord link in bio. I never sell anything, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.